I want to go over the Cobra III equity peaks from last week and do some market analysis on the Nasdaq stock indexes in general. You see, on Friday we took a long profit target and we're at equity peaks. These equity peaks are a result of good trades on the short side, good trades on the long side. We try to determine market direction, but this strategy takes both long and short trades, so we're good either way. I do want to share with you some analysis though. Last 3 Mondays we've had gap down and continuation, and then 2 weeks ago we had the last 2 weeks it's been a reversal. So here is Monday, September the 20th, gap down, continuation, Monday afternoon reversal, and then a prop up the rest of the week. And then last Monday, gap down, and it continued at the open, and then it reversed, but it was propped up. So Tuesday, same thing, gap down, continuation, prop up. So midday, late morning, the market stopped selling off, and on Thursday afternoon, Friday, tried to sell off and propped it right back up. So Friday's close here was at the Tuesday lows. The previous Friday's close was at the previous Friday's close, and now we're getting a further gap down continuation. So you have one Monday gap down continuations, the second Monday gap down continuation. These were followed by reversals, and so third Monday in a row, gap down and continuation. And we'll see if we get a reversal or if it's going to finally break down. One of the observations in this market is it's been propped up a lot, and eventually if the propping doesn't work, you'll eventually get some follow through selling. So we'll see if that actually happens today or if it reverses. We're good either way. We trade long and short side in our strategies. Some other interesting concepts and thoughts are about market trends. You know, the market tends to, one thing that's said about the market is that it goes up slowly and it sells off sharply. And so in a bull market, you might see the market go up slowly, and then when the bear market hits or a correction hit, it happens quickly. And this is a bull trend, kind of a bull market, long-term bull market. But what we're seeing here is kind of different. Since the pandemic, it seems the rallies are sharp and the sell-offs are choppy. So, you know, I try to think outside the box. So has the trend since the pandemic still been down, but because of liquidity, prices are higher? Are we in a bear market with prices that are higher because of the way the market moves? So has there been distribution, the slow distribution, followed by the fast move is, oftentimes what I'm saying is the fast move is the counter trend move. And so we've had so many fast moves to the upside. Was that the counter trend, and this slow chop down is the real direction? Another observation about market trends is that the overnight trend can sometimes be the real trend. So in a bull market, you might get that gap up and then sideways to higher and maybe even sideways to lower, and then another gap up and then, you know, sell off, gap up and sell off. We're kind of getting that in the opposite direction. We're getting the sell off at night. A lot of the strategies like night trader aren't doing as well, so you get the sell off at night, and then, you know, kind of works its way higher or sideways or slightly lower during the day, but the real trend is at night. And so these are two trend indicators based on the way the market has worked in the past. It seems to be doing opposite of a bull market, even though we've had higher prices since the pandemic lows. Something to look out for if all this propping up has occurred. Either way, we're trading Cobra III strategy, long and short, so I wanted to share with you the most recent equity peaks in this strategy last 7 months, and share with you some market analysis about the Nasdaq and stock indexes in general. Oftentimes you can more clearly see the trend in the Nasdaq, and it's only 100, so sometimes the other indices that are broader can go in the opposite direction. So that's my analysis on Monday, October the 4th, second trading day of the month and the quarter in 2021.